If battery replacement mode has been enabled by your installer, you can enable this option when required, to replace the batteries in your Ricochet devices, without requiring an engineer visit. Enter the master user code. Press Menu. Press Yes. Use the scroll keys to select Start Battery Replacement. Press Yes. Select the areas the devices are assigned to. Press Yes. You can now replace the batteries in your Ricochet devices. Once you have replaced the required batteries, use the scroll keys to select Stop Battery Replacement. Press Yes. Press Yes again to turn off battery replacement. Press Menu, 0, Yes, to return to day mode.